Starting a business is exciting, but growing a business successfully requires something many entrepreneurs overlook: a clear strategy. Too many businesses operate day to day, reacting to problems instead of planning for growth. And the truth is, without a strategy, even a great idea can struggle to succeed. So in this video, we're going to break down the simple strategic planning process that successful businesses use to grow, scale, and stay competitive. Let's start with the first step. Step 1. Define your vision. Every strong strategy begins with a clear vision. Ask yourself, where do you want your business to be in the next 3 to 5 years? Do you want to expand locations, increase revenue, build a digital brand, create a scalable company that runs without you every day? Your vision becomes the destination your strategy is designed to reach. Without a vision, it's like trying to travel without knowing where you're going. Step 2. Understand your market. The next step in strategic planning is understanding your market and competition. You need to know who your ideal customer is, what problems they need solved, what competitors are doing well, and where opportunities exist. Businesses that win in the marketplace don't just offer products, they offer solutions that customers are actively looking for. Strategic planning helps you position your business where demand already exists. Step 3. Identify your competitive advantage. Next, ask an important question. Why should customers choose you instead of someone else? This is known as your competitive advantage. It might be better customer service, faster delivery, lower cost, higher quality, unique expertise, or innovative technology. Successful businesses clearly understand what makes them different, and they build their strategy around that strength. Step 4. Set clear, measurable goals. Now that you know your vision and your position in the market, it's time to set specific goals. For example, increase revenue by 30% this year, add 100 new customers in the next 6 months, launch a new product or service, expand into a new market. The key here is making goals measurable and time-based. A strategy without measurable goals is just an idea. Goals turn strategy into action. Step 5. Build an action plan. This is where strategy becomes execution. Break your goals down into specific actions. If your goal is to increase revenue, your action plan might include improving marketing campaigns, building stronger partnerships, expanding your sales channels, improving customer retention. Every major goal should have clear steps and responsibilities, so progress can be tracked. Successful companies review these plans regularly to stay on course. Step 6. Plan for funding and resources. Many businesses fail not because of bad ideas, but because of lack of capital or resources. Strategic planning includes thinking about how you will fund growth, what tools or technology you need, what partnerships can accelerate your progress. Smart businesses plan funding strategies early, so growth opportunities are never missed. Step 7. Monitor and adjust. Finally, remember this: a strategy is not something you create once and forget. Markets change, technology changes, customer behavior changes. That's why successful companies review their strategy regularly and adjust when needed. Strategic planning is an ongoing process that keeps your business moving forward. The difference between businesses that struggle and businesses that grow often comes down to planning versus reacting. When you take time to build a clear strategy, you give your business direction, focus, and purpose. You move from guessing to executing, and that's when real growth begins. So if you're serious about building a successful business, start with a plan. Define your vision. Understand your market, set clear goals, and build the strategy that will take your business to the next level.